Hello guys, welcome back to another video for Tire Base. In this video we're going to see an overview of the products and services module, and we're going to see all the features. We're also going to see where to consult products, where can we create brands, styles. We're also going to see everything related to that module, the products and services section. So stick around so you can see exactly what I mean. So if we go here to the menu and all the way down to products and services, this is the module that we're going to talk about today. We have the products tab, services tab, also categories. We also have brand, styles, tags, and packages. All right, so we're going to start with products, the products tab. In here, you're going to be able to consult your price level. So if you delete this general public, which is by default, if you delete it, the system is going to provide you with all of your price levels that you currently have. So you can consult or give quotations to your customers based on the price level you want to select. So let's just say a customer calls in and they are a dealer price level in this case. We can start by searching for products. So in this case, we can search by brand, by style. We can also search by size. So if I type in 205, 55, 16 and I click search, the system is going to display all of the products that match that size specifically. So if you don't find that product, and that specific product should have zero stock items, if you don't have stock, it won't display by default here. So if you want that product without stock to display here, you have to click the zero stock items section, and this is going to bring the Tire Base catalog with zero stock items. Basically, you're going to be able to see a lot of products displayed once you click on zero stock items. Also, you can filter your information here by low to high regarding price, and by high to low also. And in this section, we're going to see how cards work. So we have different views. We have the normal view, which is this one, and also the list view, which you can use if you want to see a lot of products displayed in one section. So if I change the show section to 100, the system is going to display 100 lines of items, so you can go through all of these with ease. But we're going to go back to the card section, and as you can see, each card has its own information. So on top we have the stock. If we hover over it, the system is going to display the bins. If you're using bins, the system is going to display those in this option. There's also the alternative stock button, which is going to display how much stock you have of this tire in all of your locations. So in this case, I have in Tire Speed CA, which is this location here, I have 33 tires, and Ogden has 5 tires of these. These are Royo right here. So it's pretty useful in case you want to keep track of that, or if you don't have stock, you can also consult on your alternative stock here. There's also the option for you to make modifications on the product, so you can click on these 3 dots, and basically the system is going to give you the information or the option to edit your product. If you created this product, there's also another option which is going to be next to this, the edit button, which is delete. You can also delete products in this section. Also edit fixed prices. So for this product specifically, you can just click here and the system is going to let you specify what's going to be the fixed price for each of your price levels displayed in this section. So that's also pretty useful. Another option is to add images. Basically in here you can change your images, delete, add new ones, and you can add up to 3 images in this section. So once you click add image, the system is going to let you specify. If you want to upload it from your computer, you can also do that. And if you want to just specify URL, you can just click URL and just paste the URL for that specific image. Once you click upload, the system is going to upload that information. And if you want to make any modifications, you can also click on the image, and the system is going to display the images that you currently have in this section. Okay, so that's for the card option. You're also going to see the brand, the style. You're also going to see the information for the product. And from here, you can also add to quote. So if you want to add this tire to a quote, you can just click here, select who's the customer in this case, search for it. Also, if you want to create a new customer from scratch, you can also do that as well in here. But yeah, that's what the system allows you to do, a quote with a product from here by just selecting the dealer on top or the customer on top. So in this case, if I hover over this price, the system is going to give me the three kinds of cost we have: the average cost, last cost, standard cost. And we're also going to see what's the interaction that it's happening right now. So as you can see, the price matrix is wholesale. Basically, that's the price matrix we're using to provide this cost, this price to the customer. And the cost used is last in this case. As you can see in the markup applied. Also, we're going to see the final prices interacting with taxes, and that's going to be displayed on the one time, two times, or three times in this case for final price. Okay, with that information, we can also use the filters in this case. So if we want to see only Bridgestone, we can just click Bridgestone, see the styles we have. So if we have a Copia in here, three of these, we can also filter by that, and then we can make a selection. But the system allows us to do those filters in this option. There's also the option for you to search by tire. So if you want to see all of your tires, you can just click tires or wheels or parts, and the system is going to display all of that information in here. Okay, so we're going to move on to the next tab. In this case is services, and in this case you can have all of your services in this section. Fairly simple place where you can modify your services. You can modify by clicking the yellow button and just make modifications on that spot. We have a section for services if you want to see that also in a more deepened way. But this is an option for you to make modifications on the products and also to add your own products from scratch. Also, regarding categories, we have all of the categories in here. So if you want to add any category for your products, you can do that by clicking add. Just type in the name, the description if you want to. Just click save, and the system is going to have that displayed whenever you're trying to create a product. The system is going to give you that option on categories. Also for brands would be the same. If you want to see the inactive or active brands, you can just click these options here, and the system is going to display those in that section. Also, if you want to delete one of these or disable, you can just click the disable button and they won't appear anymore in the products and services section. Also at the work orders module. Also, you can click the don't apply services if you don't want any a brand to be eligible for services within orders. You can also click the don't apply services option, and the system is gonna avoid applying services with that specific brand once you add that to a work order. Okay, there's also the style section, and this works the same as brands in this case, but you have to link your style to a brand. So whenever you create a new brand, the system is going to allow you to create the name, but it's going to ask you for the linked brand. So in this case, I would recommend you to just first create the brand, and if you want to do styles, then just move on to styles eventually so you can link the brand in this section. Also, images work by style, so you should be able to select the style and just click on the image in this case and just upload via URL or computer. If you want to upload a file from your computer, you can do that in this case, and it's going to apply that a specific image is going to be applied to all styles with the same name basically. Also for tags, if you want to add tags to your products, you can also do that. The system allows you to create a new tag from scratch and then use the quick lookup option. So if you want to do AGS, let's just say I'm looking for a product, I can select my product in this case, add the tags, and you can either select multiple tags or just one, click save, and basically the system is going to apply those tags to that specific product in the system. So if I look for this product, let me just duplicate this tab here. I'm going to look for that product, and the system is going to display those tags here, as you can see, Garden, BioGaia, and A1, the ones that we applied in this section. And that's for tags if you want to identify somehow or some products. You can also use the tags option so you can search by that. You can also import tags by in bulk. So if you use the export option, the system is going to display or is going to provide you with a template that you can fill in and then import back and import all of your tags in one go. Also for packages, this is another section where you can basically you can add packages, or you can create your own packages with services and products from scratch in this section. And basically it's fairly simple. You can just click on the add button, select what's the code on how you're going to identify that specific package. So let's just say if you want to say package 1, that's going to be my code, and I can just put package 1 test. And then you can add a description if you want to specify the description of this product or this package in this case. And then you can start adding your products. In this case, 205-55-16, I'm going to add a tire here. Let's just say this one, 2 tires of these. And then we can add a mount specialty. Let's just say I'm going to add also 2 of these. So this is a package for a customer to have those tires, all those tires to be mounted also. And we can also add a balance in here, a specialty. Perfect. And then we have a package, as you can see. So we have a part and we have 2 levers. And once we search with this code or this name within a work order, we can add that product automatically, and the system is going to add those items automatically to that specific order. You can also make modifications. You can edit or delete this package, and you can edit each package as well. Quantities, remove products, modify the name in here. You can do all that with this section. But yeah, this is how products and services work. This is the module basically where you're going to be able to see your product services, also the brands and styles, all of that information in one go in one section in this module. But let me know if you have any questions regarding this procedure, and have a good day.